Also, as a follow-up, because I'm already uploading this video, if we go back over here to Eclipse, if we make a method on this person class, say person or public public void, because we're not going to return anything, because this is just going to be say name. If I say system.println or system.out.println hi, my name is this.name, and then I come back over here and I say p1.sayName and come down here and say p2.sayName. Once again, because these are people, these are person class, they now have access to this method. A person has this behavior. It has this structure because this is a field, it has a name, but it can also perform this action, this method. So p2, being a person, can call sayName, which is that. Now, whenever I say p2.sayName or p1.sayName, guess what's going to happen? If I add a breakpoint right here, and I step through this again, I'm just going to step down here. p1.sayName, guess what? p1 looks like this. p1 has a name of Brandon just because of the video that I just showed you. So if I step into this, it's going to say name, and this .name is Brandon. This field is set to Brandon because the instance that I'm working on right here is p1, the p1 instance. And you can see here, here's the instance with the ID of 27. So name here is Brandon. Because I'm calling the sayName method on the p1 instance, p1.sayName, this p1, it has a name of Brandon. So if I step out of this and then we go through here and say p2, well, guess what? p2, also a person, remember? The person can call sayName because this is a public method. If I step into this .name here is Alex, because p2 is now the instance that we're working on. p2 sayName, p2 happens to have Alex as this .name. This represents the instance that you're working with. In this case, p1 is this, and in this case, p2 is this.